Oh, sorry. No. Oh. Oh.
Excuse me?
Sorry. Oh. Very cool.
Thank you very much.
Coffee. Ooh.
Help you?
Oh. Can you recommend anything?
This one?
Okay, thank you. Oh, goodness. Oh. What? Is that it?
Just a moment.
Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh? What? How much? I don't believe it. What a rip-off. Oh, watch out.
Cappuccino, please. Thanks.
Be careful.
Yum.
What? He's making a lot of money. Oh, great. Oh. 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 How's it going?
Bean!
Wow. Oh. These are mine. Right, what's this? Hello?
Bean!
What's wrong? Well, he started it.
Bean!
No.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
What? Oh. Ah. Excuse me. Could I have a go, please? Thank you. Right. Oh, sorry. Honestly. Right.
Right, you two, go and collect those sponsors.
Excuse me, sponsored skydive? Help the donkeys?
Hello.
Go get those sponsors.
Yes. There we go.
Careful.
We're off to see Larry's sweet note. He's lovely.
Oh, really?
Ready for lunch with my mummy?
Oh, dear. Can I come with you?
Old people only. Let's get going.
Oh! Oh, my back's gone again.
Oh, I know about this stuff. You just need to... Hey, ready?
Ouch! Oh,
How's that?
worse. Oh, I must go home.
Oh, let me come. You've got a spare ticket now.
All right, but it's old people only, so...
I'll be right back.
Beanie!
Sorry, Irma, I'm busy. Bye.
Every time!
Right. There we go. That was easy. There. Excellent. Right, off we go. This is what I need. A Mrs. Makehead. I'm coming.
Come on! Is that your new boyfriend?
Get out of it.
In her dreams. Morning. That. I'll sit here, I think.
Oh, the window seat's mine.
Charming. Oh, dear. Oh, Teddy, would you like to have a look out the window? Yes, go on, go on. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Get off!
Oh, sorry. Naughty Teddy. He's really sorry. Oh. There's a thought. Must be in here somewhere. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hang on, Teddy. Oh, I see. Oh, look, Teddy. Yes, yes. Can't we just... I just wanted to...
Look, Beanie.
Oh, a donkey. Right.
Oh. No.
Look, that! Come on, come on. Can I have another go, please? Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Shush, study. Excuse me? Yes?
Look, we're here to raise money for the donkey sanctuary.
No, I want to spend it on...
For the donkeys.
Right.
Come on. Now you collect some.
All right, I'll see what I can do.
Oh, hello.
Hello, Declan.
I've only just started.
Oh, you're doing really well.
Yes, very impressive. No. Well, I've only just started.
Come on, Beanie. You can do all these events with Declan.
What?
Go on.
Yes, all right, all right. You wait there, Teddy. Oh. Ready? Good.
Scrapper!
No, sorry. Come on, come on.
Scrapper!
Hello, hello, hello?
Scrapper!
Oh.
Come out! Scrapper!
We have to find that cat, Teddy. Right. Oh, that. Oh, yes. Oh, perfect. Scrapper! Scrapper! Kitty, 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 kitty. Scrapper! Come on, come on. Puss, 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 puss. Scrapper! Let's try the other side. Scrapper! Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, look at this lot. No, no, no. Shoot, 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 shoot. You little... Honestly. Oh. Hello? Scrapper? Scrapper? Are you down here? Hey? His collar! Oh my goodness! Scrapper! 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 Where are you? Scrapper! It's tight. There must be a way down. Scrapper? Don't worry, I'm coming to find you. What's that noise? It must be my shoes. No, it isn't. What? Oh! No! Go away! Oh, no! Oh. Anything there? Hello? Oh. Look, Teddy. Look, Teddy. Look, Teddy. Boo! Boo! Nino. Nino.
Oh, what's up?
Oh. Don't panic, Teddy. Don't panic. Look, Teddy. They're all stuffed. Like you. Oh, what a beautiful fox. Oh, pudding tut. Oh no! Come back! Come back! Come back! No. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Right. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Phew. Oh. Oh. What? Oh no. Right. Quick. Oh. Oh. You come here.
Oh? Oh, do it.
Wait! Please? Oh, Teddy. Oh! I'll be needing these. Right. Now, I think somewhere around here would be good. Oh. Ah, perfect. Oh. Oh. Right, put those there. Right. Coffee! Coffee here! Coffee sold here! Coffee! Coffee over here! Delicious coffee!
Why not?
Good morning, sir. Can I help?
Grande cappuccino.
Certainly, sir. Coming right up. Right, just a couple of minutes. Thank you.
Huh.
Oh, I've got to... Just be a few more minutes, sir.
Oh.
Oh, no, there's no electricity. Oh. Just a moment. Aha! Right. I just got to wait till the, just one moment, please, sir.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, I need some froth. Oh. Right. Ooh. Oh, and chocolate sprinkles. Oh, excellent. On its way, sir. Thank you for your patience.
Ooh.
How is it?
Oh. Oh, wow.
Ah,
Bargain.
look at that. Oh, sorry. What the? There you go, son. Can I have a go?
Where's your board?
Well, I haven't got one. Ah, I've got an idea. Come on, son. There you go. Oh, that could be useful. You're coming with me. Not bad. Oh, excuse me. Deborah! Huh? Have it. We're off to the skate park. I can do this. Oh! 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 Oh no! Thank you. Bye.
Oh!
Core, nice scooter.
Oh, yes. Oh, I can't get up.
Oh. I've got an idea. There we go. Come on, come on.
Right.
Oh.
Right. Need to charge it up.
Oh, that's quite a machine you've got there. Can I,
Hands off, Bean. 5 hours of wrestling.
That's 5 hours of non-stop wrestling action. So, for all you wrestling fans, let's get ready to rumble, because we have a mighty grappling revival.
Look at him! Get him down! Knock his block off!
See that? He didn't see that.
Yeah!
Oh, that's gonna hurt. I don't think he's gonna get up from that one, Clive.
That's it!
Saw that.
Whee!